Here's a review of my Garvee AC unit. Got it hooked up to the window right there, hose to the window. It works really well. This is quite a large room that I'm standing in right now, and it does a good job. The flashing that you're seeing right here is just the camera. It doesn't actually flash when you're looking at it. So to power it on right here, you just hit the power button. Kicks right on. You can hear it. It's not overly loud, but you can definitely hear some air blowing. You can adjust the vent right here, and then also adjust this one to the side a little bit. Yeah, there you go. So you can angle it different angles as you wish. You can also right here click the swing button, and then that will automatically swing the vents for you, so it'll move the air around a bit more. Speeds right here, you've got a low and a high. I currently have it set to high. Now it just dropped to a low. Not a huge noise difference between low and high, but you're definitely getting some more air blowing out of it in high mode. Timer right there if you want to set a timer. This is what allows you to adjust the temperature. Kind of a bummer it's showing flashing on screen, because it doesn't, like I already said, it's all just one solid display right here. None of these lights are flashing, but that's just how the camera's picking it up. This is where you adjust the temperature and then sleep, and then right here you can select fan, dry, or cool. So honestly, really easy to use and works really well. Worked in a pinch for me. AC in the house went out, was able to just plug this in. Did a great job cooling the whole floor down. So been happy with this. Think it'll work well for you if you're just looking for some simple, easy to use AC unit.